Rain has been falling all day, especially in the southern Miami Valley, and because of that, flash flooding is still a possibility, especially down towards Butler, Warren, and Clinton counties, where a flash flood watch remains in effect until 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. And then we'll finally see a little bit of a brief break from this rainfall before more rain is expected this weekend. Live Doppler 7 radar as we scan the skies, and you can see some very heavy rain in the southeastern Miami Valley, plus some heavier rain just off to our west and northwest. There is a sliver of some showers that have been passing through Mercer and Auglaize County, and we've had a few reports with these showers of brief weak funnel clouds, one of which was just south of WAPAKONETA. I showed you this photo at the top of the hour, but I thought I could show it to you again. This is from SHERRIE HURD, and you can see that thin rope-like feature of that funnel cloud. Most of these type of funnel clouds never make it down to the ground. If they do, it's very rare, and they cause minimal damage, if any at all. And they're created by the cooler air that's being created by those showers and the warmer air that's being lifted up into the environment, and it can create this quick little spin up and these weak little funnel clouds that dip just a little bit below the bottom of that cloud deck. Here's a look in Salina. No funnel clouds on our live camera shot, but you'll notice the ominous looking skies off in the distance with that rain that's falling. It's also cooled us off today. Temperatures right now sitting at about 72 degrees. Take you back over to Live Doppler 7 radar, and we put the rain in motion. Heavy rain falling in eastern Warren and now Clinton County. Also, we have that thin line of steadier rain that's moving into northern Darke County. So Greenville, likely you'll see the rain picking up in your neighborhood very soon. Futurecast doesn't really show the showers in the northern Miami Valley that are occurring right now, but it does paint the picture that the steadier widespread heavy rain will continue in the southern Miami Valley through this evening. We'll start to see it tapering off a little bit north across the north in comparison to the south. Later on tonight, showers still possible south, may get a few breaks in the clouds by tomorrow morning. Then a few isolated showers will remain in the forecast for your Friday afternoon before we get a break in the precipitation for your Friday night. Rainfall estimates from now until tomorrow morning could see another 0.2 of an inch in Dayton, over 1/4 of an inch in Springboro, but perhaps some isolated pockets, especially south and southeast, that could see nearly an additional inch of rain. And we certainly could use it in the Miami Valley. The latest drought monitor did come back out today, and it's expanded a little bit further to the west, with more of us being considered in a moderate drought, the rest of us abnormally dry. We could really use not only today's soaking of rain, but a more frequent amount of rain into the weekend, which I am anticipating. As promised, let's take a look at the tropics. We have Tropical Storm Isaias right now that is making its way towards the southern Bahamas. It's on the northern fringe of the Dominican Republic right now, has winds sustained at 60 miles per hour. In the next 24 hours, as we move into Friday, still tropical storm force strength through the Bahamas as it gets up closer to Nassau and the southern part of Florida, may become a Category 1 hurricane by early Saturday morning. That would make the second hurricane of the season thus far, and the second to happen in just 1 week. We do have tropical storm watches out for southeastern Florida, tropical storm warnings through the Bahamas, as that storm is projected to come very close or perhaps make landfall near Florida or Georgia's coastline. If it does stay offshore, it's possible that it may make landfall up near the Carolinas, still maintaining a Category Hurricane 1 force strength as we move towards early next week, and then moving up towards the New England coastline. Still a lot of uncertainty with the track of this storm, so we'll monitor it closely as we move towards not only Friday but Saturday and Sunday specifically as it gets closer to the Floridian coastline. 5-day forecast, we have rain and thunderstorms locally through the weekend, especially late Saturday into Sunday. High temperatures in the upper 70s to low 80s into early next week.